Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on ASUS Zenfone 11 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and then go to settings. Now click on Google Assistant and then click on Hey Google and voice match. Then click here to enable Hey Google and now scroll down and click I agree, scroll down and click I agree. Then click next, next, more and I agree. And now click on voice model and then click on retrain voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then click next, and click next again, and click more, and I agree. Now you can click back, and then click on lock screen, click yes I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google, and as you can see my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.